The Huawei Watch GT5 is a versatile smartwatch that offers various strap options to suit different preferences and activities. The silicone strap, in particular, is popular among users for its comfort and practicality, especially during workouts and daily wear. Design and comfort. The silicone strap is designed to provide a snug and comfortable fit, making it ideal for extended use. Its soft texture ensures minimal skin irritation, and the material's flexibility allows it to conform to various wrist sizes. Durability and maintenance. Silicone is known for its durability and resistance to sweat and water, making it suitable for fitness enthusiasts and those with active lifestyles. The strap's resilience ensures it maintains its appearance and functionality over time, even with regular exposure to moisture. Versatility. The Huawei Watch GT5's standard 22mm strap size allows users to easily swap out the silicone strap for other styles, such as leather or stainless steel, depending on the occasion. Overall, the silicone strap for the Huawei Watch GT5 offers a blend of comfort, durability, and versatility, making it a practical choice for both everyday wear and physical activities. Thank you so much.